Alright, what's up, dude? It's your boy Honey Garza here. We're just house hunting, you know. Fuck, dude.
Holy shit.
Fuck that shit, man.
Oh yeah, brother. Are you here?
Oh shit. Don't touch anything.
Fuck no.
Prison.
Do that.
Hello?
Hey, I've been looking for some new ones.
It's just
It's not even going there. There's another set. Right here.
It doesn't look like anyone's been here for a while. Is this a bedroom? This looks like the master's.
Hello?
Oh shit.
There's black mold.
Really? Careful breathing, man. Wait, is that a dip cup?
Okay, let's turn around.
Careful breathing in the black mold. That shit was fucking you. Oh shit, I thought that was somewhere.
Say, speaking of dip cup,
Did you find one?
look. Give me a disky lisky.
Is this still some
Holy shit.
Whoa.
Dude, this place got fucked up.
I think this would be the perfect inhabitants for a slip and slide party.
All the glass and
Hey!
probably needles. Hit me up, kick.
Slav out.
Damn.
It is a bit of Slavic.
So this place is.
There's porcelain.
It's abandoned.
Dude! It's a free Ford pickup!
What?
Dude!
What?
Those exhaust pipes?
Oh.
Are they?
Oh, be careful, Hunter. Watch out for needles.
Yeah.
There's an old Ford back there.
Yeah.
Let's go upstairs.
I'm gonna go see it.
Hold on, we'll do it.
Dude. Barn find. No, I'm kidding.
Here, let's go upstairs, dude.
What?
We'll come out back.
Alright, look. Stairs, we most likely have a chance of dying. This, we can find our own Countach.
Okay, let's go find a Countach. I do not trust these fucking stairs. Watch out for snakes.
Alright.
Like, I like...
Reaching queer. No, I'm kidding. It's got a master lock on it.
Nothing in here worth the value except for a chair. Except for a chair. Oh, it's a Mickey Mouse, nigga! Hunter. Oh, there's power tools.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, leaf blower. You got some sort of grinder. There's a headlight. You want a headlight?
Fuck yeah, dude. For what?
The tire.
A tire?
Yeah, it's over there. It's right here. Shit, I don't trust. There's some trophies.
Really? Where?
I don't.
5'5", dude. No, I'm kidding.
Fucking hell! Whee! Let's go upstairs. Come on, Hunter.
Dude, there's a big barn.
Oh, let's go inside first, then we'll come back.
Alright.
That's what I thought, you little faggot.
You know what? Fucking dirty car facing nigger monkey. I didn't ask you.
This is going on YouTube too. Dude, there's a crutch. That's an old crutch. Dude, do not carry that with you. That looks really. Actually, no, carry that with you just in case.
What are you talking about? That's how people die in movies. Antique crutch, dude.
Yeah, watch out for needles, as I've said multiple times.
Beetles or snakes?
Needles.
Oh.
We are armed and dangerous. Fucking porcelain. Oh, okay, whatever.
I'm armed and ready.
Jeez.
These palms are sweaty already from the monster.
Spaghetti.
Never said calm and ready.
There's black mold in here, so like I'm okay dying. Holy shit.
Black mold? Fuck yeah, dude. Black mold. Jesus. You want a wire coil?
Let's go upstairs.
I feel like upstairs is gonna be weird.
Yeah, here, you go first with the bat.
Alright.
Or you give me the bat.
I can do it.
100% in the Italian army.
Yeah. Italian armed
Six
army
chains.
soldier moving up to a second position. 1940 feet other ass. Just smells like old dried up wood over here.
Wood glue. You should be careful about these floors. I would.
Whoa! Those tile samples. Was this a store?
What the hell?
Oh shit.
Yeah, let's not break anything.
Oh my god, dude. 4K HD TV. 60 frames per second, man.
Holy shit, dude.
Oh my god, the mesothelioma is already kicking in. I may be entitled to some free financial compensation later.
Oh, shut the fuck up. Oh. Oh, wait, hold on.
Hey, there's some poison right here.
Whoa!
Fuck that. Can you walk in there?
Dude, what the fuck happened to this place?
Fucking 2.5 pounds late. Hey, watch out for the fiberglass, dude. Be careful not to touch it.
It's the fucking spine of some sort.
A spine?
Yeah.
You fucking serious?
Yes, look.
What the fuck?
Is that a human?
Fuck no, it's not a human. Human spine's about that big.
Dave.
That's like to a fucking cat or some shit. Look, here's another part. Oh my god!
Is that a dead cat? Oh, what the fuck?
My god, dude. Fucking telltale heart out this bitch, dude.
Is that a fucking cat?
Dude, that looks like a fucking dog.
It's a fucking dead dog.
That's just to a balcony. Dude, attic. Dude.
Let's go in the attic.
Oh no, dude. That looks a bit too weak for me, man.
There's definitely yellow jackets and shit.
Stick the phone up in there.
You good? Yeah, let's get out.
Whoa, it's a barn owl, dude.
What?
It's a barn owl. Yo, you just found one, like a rare fucking owl, dude.
Ow.
You good? Let me get up there.
Are there any needles down here? Oh, that's fucking leg.
Give it to me. All right, boys. Ah, shit, I don't know if this is upside down or not. Okay.
Oh, it's a dead.
Dude.
Is it really a barn animal?
Yeah. Oh, look at it. It's trying to get out, dude.
Let's fucking take it.
Dude, get up here.
All right, come on, go.
Go. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. That's so pretty.
Go.
Fuck, dude, I don't want to get up here.
Get up there, bag.
Fuck no.
Where's the barn animal? Hey, should I be worried about falling like from windows and shit? You think I'm fine?
You'll be fine. Here, let me get down.
How
And then
many
you
good
get up.
shots did you get?
Huh?
How many good shots did you get?
We got for you.
Dude, I heard something move and I just...
Dude, you should have known ahead of time.
Where's the owl?
You see it?
Holy shit!
It's a barn owl.
Dude, let's grab it! He's stuck!
No, it's a predator.
No, he's stuck! Dude, it's stuck here.
Alright, let me see it. Let me see it. Get out of the way.
Here, come up here.
Alright, you get up there. Come on, let's go save it. Open up the door.
Hi! Hey, fuck you! He just ran to a window.
Get up here. Come on. I'm gonna save this bitch. We're gonna do a good deed for Jesus Christ.
Well, hi, nigga!
We're
He's
gonna
right there.
send him to Valhalla. No, I'm kidding.
He's right here. He's right here. I can grab him. Should I grab him?
You wanna grab him? Yeah, let me
You grab him.
You open the door.
Holy shit, dude!
Dude.
I think these things are endangered.
This is my favorite owl.
Dude, holy shit! Hi. It's okay. Grab him.
Oh my god, dude.
Grab him. Holy shit. Oh my god. Hold him.
Dude.
Let's take him outside.
I have a barn owl in my hand.
He's so cute!
Oh my god.
Make sure he does not go. We're going to call a nature place and send him there.
You sure?
Yeah, here. Take him with me.
I can't let him go?
No, let's take him to call some place just because I think they're in danger.
If we just get... Ow! Grab it for
Oh,
me.
here.
Ow.
Get downstairs. There's wasps. Here, Hunter, hurry. Bring him with us.
Can I do this alone?
Yeah, we're naming him Timothy.
We're naming him Timothy?
Your name's Timothy, Nibba.
Yeah.
Want me to grab the bat?
No, fuck that.
All right.
We got an owl. Fuck
We have an owl. You ready? We have an owl!
I rescued a fucking barn owl, dude.
What the? Barn find, right?
Barn find, yeah!
This is, that's his name, Barn find.
Like, let's just let him out to the wild, dude.
No, man. I want to call a nature reserve just in case, like, he's endangered or some shit.
No, he's not endangered.
I want to take him with me, nigga.
Just look up and see if they're endangered.
Taking him with me.
Yo! Ow, bitch! Ow! Grab it! Oh, his talons, dude. They're so fucking
Grab him.
sharp.
Make sure he doesn't go. Here,
Look
grab
at
his wings.
wingspan, dude.
Grab his wings. Make sure he doesn't go. Wrap around his wings.
Chill, dude. Chill.
He's a little danger taco.
Dude, look at his talons.
Holy shit.
That's what
He's
just grabbed me.
like, sup, dude. Look at him. All right, grab him. Make sure he can't go. What's up?